Large language models and Gen AI have dominated most of AI news since 2023, but from a macro perspective, they represent just one specific subset of artificial intelligence. Even today, and you might not even realize it, our world runs on many other forms of AI that belongs to completely different tribes. For instance, when you're dealing with structured tabular data, algorithms like random forests are still the gold standard. Banks use models like these for things like credit risk scoring, fraud detection, and deciding whether a transaction looks normal or suspicious. They rely on mathematical precision, and this mechanism is fundamentally different from generative AI. Another everyday example is email spam filtering. Long before chatbots, email providers were already using statistical classifiers to decide what lands in your inbox versus your spam folder. This uses a classic machine learning algorithm. So yes, it is AI. We still rely on them every single day. And under the hood, the mechanism is quite different from today's large language models. And when a computer plays a near-perfect game of chess, it represents yet another paradigm of artificial intelligence. And again, it doesn't use a chatbot to do it. So to see the complete picture and to navigate this field of artificial intelligence with structural clarity, we need a mental indexing system. In this series, we're scanning horizontally across the 5 tribes of AI. This framework comes from Pedro Domingos' book, The Master Algorithm. Even though it was initially published back in 2015, what's impressive is how well this lens still holds up. Sure, the boundaries are blurring, and modern systems are becoming more blended, but the core DNA of these tribes still serves as the foundation. It remains a powerful map to navigate the field. Now, strictly speaking, his book focuses on machine learning, but in this series, I'm taking the liberty to generalize these concepts to AI as a whole. A quick clarification. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Machine learning is about learning patterns from data. AI is broader. It also includes systems that don't learn at all, like search, planning, logic, and rule-based reasoning. But either way, whether a system learns from data or just follows handwritten rules, they're all trying to answer the same fundamental questions. Where does knowledge come from? And how do we apply it to solve complex problems? My job here is simple: to give you the core intuition behind each tribe. So if you do have a technical background, hopefully you might still find a fresh perspective here. And if you're completely new to the field, don't worry, it should still be easy to follow. In the next video, we'll start with symbolic AI, aka the good old-fashioned AI that powered expert systems, search, and classic logic puzzles. I'll see you next time.